Welcome back. The electric car world is changing fast and 2025 is shaping up to be a turning point. The early adopter phase is over. Now, EVs are about being great cars, period. Competition is fierce, which means better choices for everyone. Today we're diving into the top electric cars coming in 2025, and what trends and tech will define the roads ahead. From family SUVs to luxury sedans, we'll break down what makes these new EVs stand out. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about the Tesla Model 3 Highland, a significant refresh for the world's best-selling electric vehicle. Tesla has taken what was already a popular car and made it even better, with a host of thoughtful upgrades that address both style and substance. Tesla's put a big emphasis on efficiency and a more premium feel, directly tackling some of the criticisms from earlier versions. The new Model 3 Highland feels more refined, with higher quality materials and a sense of luxury that's hard to miss. Up front, the design is noticeably sleeker. The headlights are sharper and more modern, while the improved aerodynamics don't just look good, they help boost the car's range, making it more efficient on every drive. Step inside, and you'll notice it's quieter than ever, thanks to better insulation and upgraded materials throughout the cabin. Ventilated seats add comfort, and the new dashboard design gives the interior a fresh, modern vibe. The biggest change? Tesla has removed the traditional stalks. Now turn signals are operated by buttons on the steering wheel, and drive selection happens right on the touchscreen. It's a bold move that streamlines the driving experience and gives the cabin a cleaner look. Suspension tweaks mean a smoother, more comfortable ride, even on rough roads. The long-range model is now approaching an impressive 400 miles per charge, making it one of the most capable EVs for road trips and daily commutes alike. All these updates will become standard in 2025, so every new Model 3 buyer will benefit from these improvements. It's a package that makes the Model 3 more compelling than ever before. While it's not a total revolution, this is a smart, thoughtful evolution that keeps Tesla firmly at the top of the EV game, ahead of the competition. If you thought the Model 3 was starting to feel a bit stale, this refresh is a true game changer, breathing new life into Tesla's most popular model. Tesla's clearly listening to its customers, and the results speak for themselves. The improvements are obvious both inside and out. The Model 3 remains the benchmark for practical, everyday EVs, now with even more to love for drivers and families alike. Next, the Ford Mustang Mach-E, still bold, still fast, and now even better for 2025. Ford's boosting performance and refining tech with faster charging and improved range. The GT Performance model gets even quicker, keeping it competitive. Inside, the big touchscreen stays, but the sync system is smarter and more intuitive. Blue Cruise hands-free driving expands, and battery preconditioning means faster charging in any weather. Ford's sharpening what works, making the Mach-E a top pick for those wanting style and substance. It's a calculated update that keeps the Mach-E in the EV spotlight. Enter the Lucid Air Pure, the luxury EV focused on efficiency and range. Even as the entry-level model, it boasts over 400 miles per charge, with tweaks for even more in 2025. The interior is spacious and beautifully designed, with new color and trim options. Lucid's miniaturized powertrain means a huge, airy cabin. Pricing puts it up against Tesla and Mercedes, but Lucid's value is in its range and luxury feel. The Air Pure isn't about wild horsepower, it's about a refined, no-compromise EV experience. For those who want efficiency and comfort, it's a standout. Lucid proves you don't need the top trim to get the best of the brand. Quiet confidence, not just flash. The Rivian R2 is one of the most anticipated EVs, an adventure SUV for the mainstream. Smaller and more affordable than the R1S, it targets the Model Y and Mach-E crowd. Signature Rivian design, clever storage, and off-road capability are all here. Expect a durable, family-friendly interior and dual-motor all-wheel drive. Aggressive pricing aims to make it eligible for federal tax credits. Rivian's betting big, building a new factory just for the R2. If they nail quality and price, the R2 could be a massive hit. It's not just another SUV, it's an adventure vehicle for everyone. Production starts in 2025, and all eyes are on Rivian. Hyundai's Ioniq 7 is their electric answer to the family SUV. Built on the eGMP platform, it offers 3 rows, bold design, and tons of space. Expect lounge-like comfort, a flat floor, and clever storage throughout. Tech highlights include a panoramic screen and ultra-fast charging, 10% to 80% in about 20 minutes. Family-friendly features like air purifiers and USB ports abound. The Ioniq 7 brings Palisade practicality into the electric era. It's set to rival the Kia EV9 and Rivian R1S, but with Hyundai's unique style. For big families going electric, this is a must-see in 2025. Volkswagen's ID.7 is their flagship electric sedan, finally making its way to the US in 2025 after much anticipation. This marks a significant step for Volkswagen, as the ID.7 is positioned to compete directly with other premium electric sedans on the market, bringing German engineering and innovation to a wider audience. Designed as the spiritual successor to the Passat, the ID.7 focuses on efficiency, comfort, and practicality. It's built for drivers who want a familiar sedan experience, but with all the benefits of modern electric technology and a refined, quiet ride. Thanks to a super low drag coefficient and a brand new, more efficient motor, you can expect over 300 miles of real-world range on a single charge. This makes the ID.7 ideal for long commutes, road trips, or daily errands without range anxiety. The exterior design is clean, understated, and modern, with a practical liftback trunk that offers easy access and plenty of cargo space. Perfect for families or anyone with an active lifestyle. Step inside, and you'll find a large 15-inch infotainment screen and improved intuitive controls that address many of the complaints from previous Volkswagen EVs, making the cabin feel both high-tech and user-friendly. Smart air vents, customizable climate settings, and a refined digital interface all work together to create a more comfortable and enjoyable user experience for every passenger. The ID.7 is a mature, long-distance cruiser, designed to suit both families heading out on vacation and executives commuting in style. Its spacious interior and smooth ride make it versatile for any occasion. Rather than being an EV novelty, the ID.7 is all about being a truly great sedan that just happens to be electric, blending seamlessly into everyday life while offering the benefits of zero-emissions driving. For those who appreciate the precision and quality of German engineering, the ID.7 stands out as a compelling new option in the growing electric vehicle market. With the arrival of the ID.7, Volkswagen's electric journey just got a lot more serious, signaling a bold new era for the brand and for electric sedans everywhere. The BMW i5 brings electric power to the iconic 5 Series lineup. Built on a flexible platform, it feels just like a classic BMW, only quieter and quicker. The i5 eDrive 40 offers rear-wheel drive and plenty of punch, while the M60 xDrive delivers nearly 600 horsepower and sub-4 seconds 0-60 times. Inside, the curved display and luxury features set a new standard. Highway Assistant enables hands-free driving on select roads. BMW's goal: make electric feel normal, not novel. For those wanting German luxury and performance in an EV, the i5 is the answer. The future of the sports sedan is here, and it's electric.